So I've always wanted a mechanical keyboard, but I love my MX Keys Mini so much. This keyboard right here is very simple yet very practical. It allows me to do everything that I need, or at the same time it connects to my entire ecosystem with the connect the one button, and I just couldn't see myself letting it go until one day I was scrolling through Best Buy and I ran across this. This is the MX Mechanical Mini for Mac. So essentially, it's the same keyboard that I currently use, except in a mechanical version. So I actually didn't know they made this. I was very, very surprised when I seen it. And when I was in Best Buy, they actually were out of stock in every single store. So I ordered this one off of Amazon. And today we get to unbox it and see if Logitech finessed me or not, because it literally is the same keyboard, just in a mechanical version. Now, I haven't watched any videos on this. I don't know how it sounds. I don't even know if it does anything different, if the battery life is longer. I don't know anything, but I do know that I do want me a mechanical keyboard. And now there's nothing wrong with my current keyboard. I just want to refresh and restart and just get those creative blood vessels pumping again. As most creatives know, when you get new tech, it makes you just want to use it a lot more. Not saying I didn't want to use this keyboard, but I for sure got my money's worth out of it. And I just wanted something new, while at the same time getting something that I want to try. And I've always wanted to try a mechanical keyboard. I don't know if Logitech finessed me, because this might not be a quote unquote real mechanical keyboard. So I'm not for sure. I don't know too much about anything to do with mechanical keyboards, but I know I want to try one, and I know I've always wanted one. So let's unbox it, hear how it sounds, and give our first opinion. Okay. So this is the keyboard right here. We're just gonna take it out of the box. You're gonna see the box right there. Comes in another box, a black box this time, and inside is basically telling you how you can connect it to 3 different devices and how to do that, yada yada, basic Bluetooth stuff. We have our keyboard right here, and then the charger for the keyboard. Now, ooh, hey, I'm not gonna lie, this low key looks better than the other one, and it's not even close. I think the more hint of gray that they added just was a nice touch to it, and it honestly feels a lot more premium. This is a new addition. So they did slightly upgrade this one from the first one. This one has these stands so that you can rise it a little bit. I think that's pretty dope. And then as far as connecting, all you have to do is, there's 1, 2, and 3 right here. So you can connect to 3 different devices, and you literally just hold whichever one you want to pair, hold it, connect to that device, and then hold the next one to connect to the next device, and so forth. Hey, sounds good to me. Very tactile, but at the same time, not too loud, but very mechanical like. And I really like this one because if you can see it, the mechanical keys are very low profile, while at the same time, you can tell that the mechanical keys, I really like this keyboard. One thing I can say, just from how it feels, I think it's gonna enable me to type better. I feel like the buttons on this one, they're extremely flat, and sometimes I feel like it's hard to press certain keys quickly because of how flat the buttons are. With the mechanical keys, I think the buttons are easy to navigate through. Also eliminates the chances that I can press the wrong button because of the space that's in between each key. So I do think that this is a better keyboard overall than the first one. Now, to each his own. Some people might not enjoy the whole mechanical vibe. For me, I actually enjoy it. I like the two-tone colors that they have going on with this one. I think this one is just very bland. Now, some people might like very bland and simple, and I think this one is a tad bit cheaper. So you can save some money by getting the original or basic one. But for me, I think this is the winner. I think this is the way to go if you are getting into the MX ecosystem. I think this keyboard is the winner for me. If you guys are in the market for a keyboard, either one of these keyboards would be an amazing keyboard. Like I said, this one's a lot cheaper than the mechanical one. I believe the mechanical one is around 150, 130, depending on where you get it at. And this one, I believe you can get it for as cheap as 99, if not cheaper, on like Amazon or Facebook Marketplace or something like that. Amazing keyboard. But I think aesthetically and I think ergonomically, this is the way to go. So if I can recommend any keyboard to you, it definitely would be the MX Mechanical Mini. Now, this keyboard is extremely practical, while at the same time really minimal, and I think aesthetically it's a lot better than the first version, or the basic version I should say. And I think I'm going to enjoy this one a lot more, and I can't wait to use it and see the amazing things I'm able to create with it. But yeah, that's pretty much going to sum up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will have links to both keyboards in the description below if you guys want to check out either one of those. Until next time, it's your boy DeMonte. Peace, love, we out.